Previously, we talked about AP, EP, and yield, and their importance when it comes to food production. These concepts are quite important during recipe formulation, and as such, they are very important when it comes to purchasing the products you need to meet the needs of your menu. There are a few ways to determine the AP of a product depending upon the information that is available to you. The formula contains 3 items, AP, EP, and yield. If you have any 2 of these 3 values, the third is simple to find. But with many problems, the associated values may not be given, requiring some preliminary calculations. Let's go through an example to show you how to break these out. You are preparing for a function where you know the number of guests, what you are serving, the portion size of the main dish, and the yield that you are able to get from the AP of the initial product. The only given value so far that fits into our equation is the yield. But with a simple calculation, we can determine our EP, which is our second needed value. Remember, the formula for yield is equal to EP divided by AP. Always jot down the givens supplied by the problem. The standard formula is yield being equal to EP divided by AP. To get the AP value, we will first need to find the EP value. To do so, multiply the number of guests by the portion size each guest will receive. This will provide us with the amount of edible portion product that we will need for the entire function. 114 guests times 5.25 ounces results in an EP value of 598.5 ounces. Dividing by 16 ounces per pound, we are able to determine that we will need 37.4 pounds of edible product, or EP, to meet the needs of the function. We now have 2 of the 3 values required in order to solve. Start by plugging these values into the formula. The yield was a given at 81%, or 0.81. The next value to fill in is the EP. This was the value that we just solved for at 37.4 pounds. To finish solving, we will need to isolate AP as it is now in the denominator of the formula. If you know your math conversions, this is a one-step process, but we will walk through it completely to show you how it is done. Review our Math 101 videos for more tips and tricks in order to help solve things like this. To eliminate the fraction, you will need to cross multiply. Do not forget that there is a 1 under 81%, making it a fraction as well. We will put the 1 there to show you all the steps clearly. Now cross multiply 81 times AP to get AP times 81%. Finish the cross multiplication by multiplying 1 times 37.4 pounds to get, 37.4 pounds. The fractions are now gone, but AP is still not isolated. We need to get AP by itself on one side of the equation. This will require one more step. By dividing each side by 81%, or 0.81, on the left they cancel each other out, leaving AP by itself. And on the right, we end up with 37.4 divided by 0.81. This gives us the converted formula of AP is equal to 37.4 pounds divided by 0.81, which when solved gives us an AP value of 46.7, or just over 46 pounds of AP product required to meet the needs of our function.